Hey, good morning, guys. Today is Monday. We're going to be having a few things happen this week. On Tuesday, tomorrow, you guys do not come to school unless you are testing PSAT. If you signed up for the PSAT tomorrow, you come tomorrow. If you do not, you stay home and you work asynchronous. That means you still click in Tuesday and you do your work, and that's how you will get attendance credit for tomorrow. Okay, on Thursday, we have the review for our unit assessment that is on Friday. So we're going to have a district test on Friday. If you click on it, well, it's not there right now, but it will be on Friday. You have a district test that is the 1.2 unit test. Thursday, we will be reviewing, and I made videos for every single question. You will be so prepared for this test as long as you pay attention and you write everything down. I promise you. We're going to be using Desmos all this week, so make sure that you're using this button and opening up Desmos. What else? Grades are in. I put them in Skyward already. So if you go on the left side and you click grades, you can see all your missing work, and you'll notice in Skyward I put zeros for anything that you are missing already. So make sure you pay attention to that. This week is homecoming week, and I sent this on Remind. So today is tie-dye day. Tomorrow you get to wear a college shirt, so college day. On Wednesday is holiday day. Dress up for your favorite holiday. So wear any t-shirt that you like, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter Bunny. Thursday is green and white day. So make sure that you come in your school spirit, wearing lots of green and lots of white. And then Friday, yay, is pajama day. So make sure you're ready for that. And as always, we have our schedule for the week. And we also have the Algebra 1 calendar that has been updated. So if you ever need to go back to any single day, the first link is always for everybody. And then the second link is always for third period only. Okay, so always click on the first link. Unless you are in my third period class, then you click on the second link. Okay, so make sure you get all of your work done and turned in. I'm excited for this week. I know you guys are going to do great on Friday's test. And don't forget that next week is the end of the 6 weeks. So I will be turning in all grades during Halloween time.